What's the meaning of corn circle? Corn circle. Corn circle.
Corn circle. Corn circle. The term crop circle refers to a geometric pattern that appears in fields of crops, typically corn or wheat. These patterns are believed by some to be created by extraterrestrial beings, while others argue that they are the work of human hoaxers. The circles often feature intricate designs and are created by flattening sections of the crop. Despite extensive scientific research, the origins of crop circles remain a mystery, and they continue to be a subject of fascination for people around the world.